My name's Rosemary Barnes and I'm a mechanical engineer. I did a lot of maths. My dad's actually a mathematician and he really enjoys doing maths just for fun. So I was subjected to that as a kid, which I didn't enjoy at the time, but one really great benefit from that was that I always understood that I was good at maths. Once I got to university and started to learn a bit more about what engineering means, I knew that I had picked the right thing. I love studying physics, but I really like to use physics to then change the world. For me, I'm really concerned about the environment and about climate change specifically, so I wanted to go into engineering and renewable energy. After I finished a PhD, I wanted to work for a big renewable company, one that was, really making green energy. It was, at that time, it was very close to being as cheap as fossil fuels. I took a job in Denmark at a wind turbine blade manufacturer. It was a big change to move over here to Denmark. The language, obviously, the culture. The biggest thing for me has been the weather. For me, it's really satisfying to go from, hearing about a problem, coming up with an idea for a solution, and then building prototypes, eventually going to the factory and putting it on a product, seeing it on a turbine, actually making green energy that otherwise might have come from fossil fuels. So that, to me, is absolutely the best part of being an engineer. One of the favourite things about my job is working with colleagues from all over the world. You get a really wide variety of cultures and it makes it so much more interesting and gives you so many more ideas when you have a really diverse working environment.